Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to tell you the current hiring in Amazon. Amazon is hiring for virtual customer service, and the locations are Noida, Telangana, Maharashtra, Pune, and Punjab. It's a work-from-home opportunity, and the package would be 3.5 to 4.5 LPA. As an Amazon customer service associate, you have a very clear purpose: to prevent issues, solve queries, and delight our customers. You'll be the first point of contact for our customers by answering their requests through phone, chat, or email. This includes everything from order and product questions to payment matters and website guidance. One of the great things about joining Amazon's customer service team is that you don't need past experience in customer service. You'll receive training and be provided with a complete equipment package when you join. Additionally, we offer a number of benefits, including Zeta Meal Card, 1,100 Indian rupees per month, 13,200 Indian rupees only per annum. Health insurance benefits up to 5 Indian rupees lakhs. Night shift allowance, 150 Indian rupees per shift. Overtime allowance as per business requirement. 5-day working week with 2 consecutive days off. The off days change based on business requirement. What qualifications do you need? Minimum age, 18 years old. Have the right to work in India. Strong communication skills in English, both written and oral fluency. Experience working with a computer, 10+2 or graduate, is eligible to apply. Minimum of 0 to 10 years of experience in international voice process is required. Willingness to handle calls. Willingness to work in 24/7 support process, including night shifts. Proficient with MS Excel, Word, email writing. Minimum broadband connection of 100 megabytes download speed and 10 MP upload speed using a hardwire Ethernet internet connection is required. No Wi-Fi. Fresher and experienced both are eligible to apply. Currently working and studying candidates are not eligible to apply. In this role, there will be an online assessment and 1 HR video interview. And if you successfully clear both the rounds, then Amazon provide you the offer letter before the joining. Amazon provides a complete computer system to work from your home, so you don't need to travel anywhere because it's a work-from-home opportunity. And if you want to clear the assessment and HR round, you can contact me on my Instagram, and I will provide you the exact PDF for your assessment. And you can clear it easily because so many already joined with the help of my PDF and currently working. To apply this role, you can check out the link in comment box. Instruction for applying and completing online assessment. To apply and complete the assessment, you will need a laptop/PC with webcam and headphone with good microphone. Do not apply for mobile phone or tablet. Assessment should be attempted in an undisturbed environment with stable internet connection. Minimum 100 megabits per second. Assessment should be attempted only on a laptop/desktop with functioning web camera, and usage of headphone with microphone is must. Please do not take help during the assessment as the process is entirely recorded. Check the video description and comment box for the apply link. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more job updates. Thanks for the love and support.